Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Rogue headlight. First, gather your essential tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new headlight bulb. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Before starting, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts or hazards during the process. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. You will find two 10mm bolts located on the top of the headlight unit. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. This will give you enough space to reach behind and disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the bulb housing. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release the old bulb. Carefully pull it out. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. Once the assembly is firm, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.